December 5, 2024. A routine afternoon in Baxter County erupts into chaos when a stolen vehicle tears through highways at breakneck speeds. Deputies give chase as the suspect's reckless desperation puts lives in danger, weaving through traffic and narrowly avoiding disaster. What follows is a relentless pursuit where every moment inches closer to catastrophe. This is a chase you won't believe.
Baxter County. I'm here at the Salesville Dollar General. Somebody in the opposite lane rear-ended somebody. I'll be stopping here.
10-4, Baxter, 39.
14, he jumped the rocks. He's coming around Haman's Lake. At the, I think it's Water Tower Road. I found where saying along me code headed this way.
10-4, Baxter, 8.
Baxter 8 on just past this
Be advised, I did have him at gunpoint when he jumped the rocks.
Baxter County in pursuit of vehicle 5 south.
Have an idea? Get back onto Highway 5 heading northbound. I'm trying to catch back up. He went northbound? I believe so. I didn't get a clear picture. It looked like a drag hatchback. Give me the description again. 25 was stayed after him up there. I just met him. Coming up on the bypass.
Up on the bypass. Speeds of
The sportsman's right behind you.
Classic Roger. 277 Union 4 Goshen. We're headed east on the bypass.
I don't know which way you're going to do bypass.
Okay,
Which way did you go?
headed 60.
He is eastbound on the bypass.
Two direct here, some 19 from you.
Speeds 97, light traffic.
Confirmed, so
Yeah, 10-4, they were
Charles Blackburn. Coming up on Charles Blackburn. He's wrecked out, wrecked out.
I rolled over.
Rolled it right here for you at Charles Blackburn. But can't give me anything.
Harrison, give me a name.
10-4.
We got
The high-speed chaos came to a dramatic end as the fleeing suspect's vehicle flipped off the road, bringing the pursuit to a screeching halt. Yet even as the dust settled, the story took a darker turn, with signs of substance impairment pointing to a troubling motive. This heart-stopping pursuit is a reminder of the bravery and resolve of those who face danger head-on to protect the community. Let's move on to case number 2. November 27, 2024, Honda Silver Mercedes-Benz rockets down Interstate 430 at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, defying traffic laws and endangering everyone on the road. When a routine traffic stop turns into a high-speed pursuit, the stakes escalate quickly. But what happens when the chase takes an unexpected and bizarre turn? Stay tuned as this chaotic story unfolds.
I'll shoot you! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! You climb out of that freaking car! Get out before I shoot you! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Get out! Get out of the car right now! You better jump out of that car! You better jump out right now! Get out. Put it in park. All right, now climb out. Drop the phone and climb out. We'll get your phone for you, okay? Come on out. And then get on the ground, okay? Look, Taser. Well, then get out. Get out and lay on the ground. Lay down. Are you by yourself? Okay. All right, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back! Keep them behind your back, buddy. I can't hear you. Huh? Shut up! Oh, shit!
Oh, what's the 15?
15 miles per day.
Who goes next?
1, 2, 3, you get up, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. You don't have anything on you.
Colorado Street is medicine 64, we're been on traffic 929.
You're gonna stand here. I'm gonna make sure you don't have anything on. You gotta jerk on me like the yo gang. We good. Hey, stick your leg back. There you go. I ain't got no number. You good? I ain't got no number. Are you okay? you'll be able to eat one. You'll have one. Got it? Yeah.
As the pursuit came to an end, the driver's confusion and the strong scent of alcohol revealed a deeper danger lurking beneath the reckless speeds. This was more than just a chase. It was a stark reminder of the hazards posed by impaired driving. Thanks to the swift and decisive actions of law enforcement, a potential tragedy was averted, and a dangerous driver was taken off the road. This chase serves as a sobering reminder of the dangers of reckless and impaired driving. Every decision made behind the wheel impacts not just your life, but the lives of countless others sharing the road. Let this story be a call to action. Follow the traffic rules, drive responsibly, and help make our roads safer for everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next thrilling story. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode. The Chase Network.